again. They're not great as well, but at the end of the day, we needed a point away from home. You'd take any day, you know.
Aren't you going to send the sun? Thought you was going to sit down with him.
Told you, Jesus.